Today we will see the objective type question based on per unit system. Okay, so the first question is the line current of a three-phase system are J3 ampere, 1 plus J1 and 1 minus J1. Okay, the zero sequence current will be, so we know that the zero sequence current I0 is given as IA plus IB plus IC divided by 3. Okay, so this will equal to IA is J3 plus this is 1 plus J1 and this is minus 1 minus J1 divided by 3. So this will cancel. So J3 by 3 is equal to J1 ampere. Okay, so our answer will be J1 ampere. Okay, now second question is the per unit of a 4 ohm resistor at 100 MVA base and 10 kV base voltage is. So we know that ZPU is equal to given as ZHL into MVA base divided by kV base square. Okay, now what is the value of ZHL is 4 ohm, we write here 4 into MVA base is 100 divided by kV base is 10 square. Okay, so 10 square is 100 cancel, so we get 4 PU. Okay, so our answer will be 4 PU. This is the formula for finding out the ZPU if the value is only given of 10 kV and 100 MVA. Okay, if it is given as 100 MVA and 10 kV and assume base KVA is of 10 MVA and 50 kV somewhat, so our formula will be changed. So basically we can say that there are three types of or two type of formula that we have to remember, and it is very important in objective type question. This formula is very used in every type of this type of objective question. Now let's see question number 3. The value of transmission line impedance is 5 pu with 10 MVA 10 kV base value. Its impedance value is in value of ohm is. So formula will be this one, ZHL into MVA base upon kV base square. So what is the ZHL is 5 pu into MVA base is 10 MVA, right? kV base square is 10 square. Okay, so this will equal to 5 into 10 by 100, so this will equal to 0.5. okay, so our answer will be 0.5. Now moving toward the fourth question. A transformer of 10 MVA 33 kV has a reactance of 0.1 pu on 20 MVA 11 kV. The new pu value will be, means what is in your transformer, the old value is of 10 MVA 33 kV and 0.1 per unit. Now assume, we have assumed that, or in question it is given as the new value of MVA is 20 MVA and 11 kV. Now what will the new pu value? Okay, so the formula for this ZPU new is equal to ZPU old into MVA base new divided by MVA base old into kV base old divided by kV base new whole square. Okay, so ZPU old is given as, in the question it is given as 0.1 into MVA base new is 20 divided by MVA base old is 10 into kV base old is 33 divided by kV base nu is 11. Okay, so this will equal to 11 3s are, so 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 18, 18 into 0.1 is 1.8. Okay, so our answer will be 1.8. Now fifth question is, the transmission line has 0.2 per unit impedance with 132 kV 100 MVA on a base of 220 kV 50 MVA per unit will be. So our answer will be, in previous problem we will use same formula. ZPU old is 0.2 into MVA base new is 50 divided by old is 100 into kV base old is 132 divided by this will equal to 220. Okay, so compare with this equation with this term, which term is matching 0.2 50 100 220 132 by 220 square. Okay, so B term is matching with the answer, B is matching with this term, so our answer will be B. Okay, so this is the way to find out the per unit numerical. So mainly two formula, one is this and second one is which I have done in question number 4. These two formulas are important for to find out the per unit quantity.